If you do two things, you will look more intelligent than you actually are. I mean, even if you don't have brain, you'll still look like you have a head full of gray matter. Look at this wonderful brother. He came to my post where I showed a product that I sold and made $163,000 in just one day. But you know what he said? He said, it's always the product. They never say what's their product in public. It's always inbox. Those who know, know. Well, my dear brother, let me let you know. Here is one of my products. But before that, let me show you why we built this product. You see, these Doodle videos, they're very popular. Very easy to make, and they can get you tons of views, exposure, get you a lot of traffic, get you a lot of sales. This channel has 157,000 subscribers. And this video got 7.6 million views in just 2 months.
The sun goes down, you're going to flip a switch. Light will flood the room and you won't think twice about it. But for 99.9% of human history, that switch didn't exist. When the sun set, the world went dark.
You understood what type of video it is, right? Now, once you start watching this kind of video, you will get more suggestions on the right-hand side. They will also have similar type, similar story, and they were built the same way from many different channels. So a lot of people are making tons of money with it. Now, it was not easy in the past. You had to actually build these artwork, the doodle, and write a story, then voice over and all. I am an AI guy, so I built an AI app. This app will make videos like this from scratch with just mouse clicks. And let me show you how it works. I will simply decide how long my video will be. And then I will give my idea. I am done with my idea. Now I am ready. My idea is ready. I'm going to click Generate Script. Now the script writer agent is writing a script. First, it's doing research, and then it's writing, and then it's reviewing and editing. Now AI has written the story and also wrote image prompts. All we have to do is click this Continue to Images and then click Auto Generate. Now AI will make all these images. What am I doing so far? Clicking with my mouse. All the images are ready now. What did I do? Only clicked with my mouse and nothing else. Now I will click Continue to Video, and then I will simply render the video and nothing else at all. Here we go. The video is ready. Let's watch it together.
It is 6 in the evening. You are still at your desk. Outside, the city is heading home. You are not. You pick up your phone. You open the bank app. The number hasn't moved much in months. It covers rent, it covers food, but it never quite buys you free. The 9-to-5 earns just enough to stay inside the 9-to-5. Somewhere between that desk and that balance, a thought is forming. So we do what we always do. We open YouTube. We search Make Money Online and the results flood in. Side hustles, financial freedom, passive income from home. We are watching at midnight, the screen the only light. And 3 ideas keep coming back, night after night. Dropshipping, BA, and something called a business opportunity. Some of us have seen these before, some of us tried, so let us walk through each one, honestly. Dropshipping, sell products you have never touched. No warehouse, no upfront cost, sounds almost perfect. Then 3 walls appear at the same time. Wall 1, scholars aren't agreed it is halal. The Prophet said, do not sell what you do not possess. Wall 2, your supplier ships in 3 to 4 weeks. Amazon ships the same product tomorrow. Wall 3, Meta ads cost more than your margin, $20 to reach 1,000 people. Your profit? 5. So we move on Amazon FBA. Real products, Amazon's own warehouse, faster delivery. But Amazon keeps its cut even on returns. The product comes back. The fee does not. And those product research tools everyone recommends? Hundreds of thousands of sellers see the same data. Every opportunity the algorithm finds, everyone finds at once. The seller's winning? Running paid ads with real budgets. Money we don't have in a game already decided. Then a message drops, a cousin, a masjid friend. He has found something, a business opportunity. The products are premium, the prices are steep. But the real pitch is about building a team. Recruit others. That is where the money is, they say. 92 out of 100 lose money in these programs. In our community, word travels fast. Once the trust breaks, people smell it from a mile away. So what actually works for us? There is a 4th path. No inventory, no shipping, no halal gray zones, no Amazon fees, no deep pockets required, AI-powered digital products made once, sold forever. An ebook, a template, a video like this one, the proof is right in front of you. This documentary was built with AI tools, start to finish. The business model is the medium.
So, what were the two things? Number one, use your valuable time to produce something. Just go and use AI. Learn AI and use AI and produce something. Do something for yourself, do something for the humanity, help people, make money. Number two, instead of assuming what other people are doing, just like this handsome brother, ask questions. Just go and ask, hey bro, can you show me a few of your products? Even if they don't show you, you can research and find out. In case you don't know, my 99% Done For You program members get this app for free. You want to know more about my 99% Done For You program? Inbox me the word 99 and I will share a complete masterclass with you. See you in the masterclass. Most people struggle with the third one. In this training, I will show you all the three things, what they are, how they work, and how we do all the three for our members, 99% done for you. The first two are our responsibilities. They are done completely by our team. For the third one, our program members use our proprietary AI agentic software. And the software is built in a way that a 9-year-old can use it and generate customers, paying customers, using nothing but mouse clicks. If a 9-year-old can do it, you can do it too. That's the main reason for such a high success in our program. In this training, you will see how our affiliates earned over $3 million in affiliate commissions by promoting our product. And one of them earned over $97,000 with a specific process. But the process was not 100% flawless. I will show you the process and I will show you the mistakes in the process so you can avoid the mistakes. I will show you another affiliate who made a very similar amount of money but with much lesser effort. And in this training, I will show you how this was possible. In order to watch the training, go to 99dfy.com, then click that green button that says watch the training. This pop-up will open, put your email in that box and click this button. And that's all you need to get into the training. And I'll see you in the training.